Blood will flow when flesh and steel are one, drying in the color of the evening sun. Tomorrow's rain will wash the stains away. Something in our mind will always stay. On and on, the rain will fall. On and on, the rain will fall. This final act was meant to clinch the lifetime's argument. And nothing comes from violence, and nothing ever could. For all us born beneath an angry straw, lest we forget how fragile we are. On and on, the rain will fall like tears from a star. Tears from a star. On and on, the rain will see how fragile we are. How fragile we are. Flesh and steel are one, drying in the color of the evening sun. Tomorrow's rain will wash the stains away. There's something in the mind will always stay. On and on, the rain will fall like tears from a star, like tears from a star. thousand more, 1,000 times, 1,000,000 doors to eternity. lived 1,000 lives, 1,000 times, an endless turning stairway climbs to a tower of souls. If it takes another 1,000 years, 1,000 wars, the towers rise to numberless floors in space. Could shed another 1,000,000 tears, 1,000,000 breaths, 1,000,000 names, but only one truth to face. 1,000,000 roads, 1,000,000 fears, 1,000,000 suns, 10 million years of uncertainty. I could speak 1,000,000 lies, 1,000,000 songs, 1,000,000 rights, 1,000,000 wrongs in this balance of time. But if there was a single truth, a single light, a single thought, a singular touch of grace, the single point, the single flame, the single haunted memory of your face, I still love you. I still want you. 1,000 times the mysteries unfold themselves like galaxies in my head. And on the mysteries unwind themselves, eternity still unsaid, till you. I've got a question that's been preying on my mind for some time.
I may be numberless, I may be innocent.
I won't be wagging my tail for one good reason.
I may know
It has to be a crime.
I may be ignorant.
This dark house never was a place for me. A runner-up and second best just ain't my pedigree. We were so happy, just the two of us, till this alpha male turned up in the January sale. He won't love you like I love you. Won't be long now before that love becomes a strain. And what I like about this guy the most, they be my favorite lamppost. Devil take the high notes. The piano, Mr. Jason Rappel. Double bass, Mr. Christian McBride. The cello, Mrs. Jack Melvon. eternity still unsaid till you love me. Till you love me. Till you love me. I looked out across the river today, saw a city in the fog and an old church tower where the seagulls bleed. Saw the sad shy horses walking home on the sodium lights. Two priests on a ferry, October geese on a cold winter's night. All this time, the river flowed endlessly to the sea. Two priests came around our house tonight. One young, one old, to offer prayers for the dying, to serve the final rites. One to learn, one to teach which way the cold wind blows. Fussing and flapping in priestly black like a murderer crows. Yeah. All this time, the river flows endlessly to the sea. If I had my way, I'll take a boat from the river, and I'll bury the old man. I'll bury him at sea. Blessed are the poor, for they shall inherit the earth. It's better to be poor than be a fat man in the eye of a needle. As these words are spoken, I swear I'll hear the old man laughing. What good is the used up world, and how could it be worth having? All this time, the river flows endlessly like a silent tear. All this time, the river flows. No Father, Jesus exists, and how come he never lived Young teacher, the subject of schoolgirl fantasy. She wants him so badly, knows what she wants to be. Inside her, there's a longing. This girl's an open page, bookmarking. She's so close now. This girl is half his age. Don't stand so close to me. Don't stand so close to me. Her friends are so jealous. You know how bad girls get. Sometimes it's not so easy to be the teacher's pet. Temptation, frustration, so bad it makes him cry. Wet bus stop, she's waiting. His car is warm and dry. Don't stand so, don't stand so close to me. Like the fall, to be gone in a day, just as the leaves had turned gold. I was drawn to a sound that the wind carried down from an open window pane, and like a song or a sad melody, to linger long after the end, and the harmony rings with the promise of spring on a Brooklyn street. How like the fall, to be gone in a day, just as the trees had turned gold. I was drawn to the sound that some fingers had found, but now the winter seems to stay too long, and how like a song or a sad melody, to linger long after it's gone. Though the window is closed and the questions it posed on a Brooklyn street. Or a sweet melody to linger long after it's gone, that the harmony